Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the timing belt and water pump kit that fits a variety of Honda and Acura vehicles, including the Honda Accord Odyssey Pilot, the Acura TL, RL, MDX, RDX, as well as the General Motors Saturn Vue. So this is a complete timing belt and water pump kit. I'll go over the components briefly. So we have a new accessory Serpentine belt that's included. We have a new actual timing belt that's included. We have a roller. We have a tensioner roller, the tensioner itself, and cam and crank seals, as well as the water pump itself and the water pump gasket or O-ring. So this is a medium to expert level installation. Changing a timing belt on a vehicle requires attention to detail to make sure the engine is properly timed before removing the belt and tensioner. And then after the belt is installed and tensioned, you need to make sure the motor is still on time before starting the vehicle. We do provide technical support and we can assist in the installation, but we do need to make you aware that the installation of this particular kit is more of an intermediate to advanced level installation, and an improper installation can lead to engine damage. But with that being said, it is a complete kit. We do offer the expert technical support, and if you guys have any questions about the product itself or the installation, please feel free to reach out to us directly.